Where are you going? Is it stuck on your foot? Can you bring that to me? No? Okay. Oh, that's not good. Give me that. Give me that. Come here, hyper child. I didn't give you no candy today. Or coffee. No. Too hot. Hot. You show me love? Hey. Show me love. Show me love. Show me love. Yay. Show me milk. Show me please. Show me please. That's hungry too. Show me thank you. You show me tree? You show me tree? No, no, you're just, okay, you're just gonna be hyper. No coffee for you. You don't need coffee.